I think it's definitely a winner in my book. Again, here you go. You can see how it pulls right out. So if I want it closer to me. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item that ErGear did send me and did compensate me to make a review. I'm going to show you a little bit about this single monitor arm. It's adjustable desk gaming monitor mount. This is for monitors from 13 to 34 inches and approximately up to about 19.8 pounds. So it's going to hold pretty much any monitor you can throw at it. It has enhanced stability with an integrated C-clamp, which I love these C-clamp mounts. They're super important. I'll show you that in 1 second. Upgraded cable management also included. 75 by 75 by 100 by 100 millimeters. And this is in black. Tool-free assembly. Nice quality. I'm just going to take it all out of the box real quick for you. Comes with instructions, easy to assemble. Take a look at that at your leisure. I mean, this is some serious metal. Just to give you a quick look here. We're not fooling around here. This goes onto the actual monitor, an easy slide in a bracket here. I'm going to show you all that. I'm going to assemble this really quick, and then I'm going to put it on the desk, and we're going to take a look at it together. And I'm going to put it, actually my monitor on. I have a 24-inch monitor we're going to put on here on my desk, and I'm going to show you exactly how it looks and how it operates. And I'm going to give you my opinion on how I feel this is working. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of videos. If I brought you some value, please subscribe to the channel. Consider that super thanks, and also follow me for more videos just like this. I have over 1,500 videos on the channel, and I do videos just like this to educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to make a decision if something like this is good for you. All right, let's get to it. Let's take this all out of the box, and I'm going to work on it, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Everything on the table here, I want you to see. It looks a little overwhelming, but it's really not. It's really piece by piece. It's like putting a puzzle together. Really, really simple. I want to tell you, the construction of this thing is absolutely amazing. This is like a 5-star, and I don't give 5 stars easily. This bracket, this C-clamp is an absolute beast. Look at this C-clamp. This is all steel, all welded, all just put together beautifully. It's got a nice mount right here. It's got a little rubber seal so it doesn't slide. It's got an extra bracket, so if you want to mount it, if you want to screw it down to the base, you can do it either way. It gives you a lot of options with that. It's seriously heavy duty. Everything is all labeled. All the screws and nuts are labeled. All the built-in cable management's right here. We can slide the cables right through here, which is actually really nice. I like that. All steel construction, and that's high quality. Definitely. I like all this cable management. This is nice. This just pops up like this here. Let me just show you. You can slide the cables through here or just push them right through here very easily. Oh, this is for the base. Anti-slip for the base too. So this will go on the base part like this. And that way you have totally anti-slip on the bottom and the top. I mean, they think of everything. I like this. This is really nice, guys. I'm not joking. This is heavy duty quality stuff. Steel. When you're buying steel, you expect good quality. You're going to get a lifetime of use out of this. This is fantastic. Extended, let me just give you some extended adjustments within the additional column. It says up to 22.6 inches and horizon extension up to 20.6 inches. Tilt your monitor 80 degrees and also minus 50 degrees. Swivel in the 90, so you can swivel your monitor all around. It's got a lot of flexibility with this, which I really like that a lot. All right, let me just do some assembling, pop it onto my monitor, and let's just finish this review up. I think this is fantastic. Anything that's made out of high quality like this, to me, you can't go wrong. And this price point, unbelievable what's going on. They're making this stuff so good. I'm just putting this together here, and I'm looking at the instructions. That way you don't have to kill yourself. There's 2 different ways of mounting this. You can do the C-clamp mount like this here, or you can mount it directly to the desk right here with this plate. You have the drill holes in your desk, and you can mount this to the desk, and you can actually mount this instead of the C-clamp. You can use this. So those are the 2 options. Now to use this, has 3 little screws right here, and that's in the bag with the little Allen wrench, and those 3 little screws go on the pipe, the main pipe. You'll see you'll see mountings right inside the pipe here. So that's where you put those little screws, and that's for the C mount. That's what I'm going to do. Or you take this off. You don't install the C-clamp. You install this main bracket here instead of the C-clamp on the base, and then you put this on the middle like this here. This way you drill a hole. This has a screw in the center. You can screw this in the center instead of putting the 3 screws in. You just use this screw and the 3 screws to actually mount everything together. This will give us more stability, and what it's designed to do is to go on your desk, and then this goes underneath the desk, and then you can mount it under the desk here. So you can screw it on. You can actually use this to you don't have to drill it down. If you want to, you can just put 1 center hole, and you can mount it this way. It has a lot of different options here how you want to mount this, but I would recommend just if you're not going to use a C-clamp, drill this into your desk or into your permanent mount. Then you can put this underneath it and just secure it. This way you can adjust this to go as, up and down as much as you want to, then lock it down. This slides on top of the bracket. So this goes on the top, just so you know, not on the bottom. This sits on the top, and then you lock it down with this little screw that comes on the bracket. So this is the top of the monitor. There's two different adjustments here, so they have all the holes all figured out. And then you just take out the screws. And these you don't need to, they just usually, these are all like you use your fingers. They give you extra ones, which is cool. And you just basically just tighten these down with your hand. Nothing crazy. These are really super easy to do, as you can see what I'm doing here. This slides onto the actual mount, so I'm going to get the mount hooked up, and this just slides on, so that makes it easy. And then you can adjust the mount too. You can adjust the tension, you can adjust the height, all that kind of stuff, and we'll get into that in a second. So I want to just show you how to install the bracket. So that's why you don't have to put the bracket on first. I like that idea. This is just going to snap right on. It's going to hold the monitor up for me, and that's very, very cool. All right, let's get this mounted on my desk and just see how it looks. Okay, guys, you can see here's my setup here with the microphone. Here is the monitor I just installed on this awesome stand. You can see, I want to show you this stand, how it looks. It swivels beautifully out of the way. I want to show you how this works. So this lifts easy. It lowers easy. It's super easy to use. Now, what was left over is some tools that we have left over here. Here are some of the Allen wrenches to adjust some of the pivot points. Once you get everything adjusted, it's good to go. Super easy. This is what it looks like here. So this is an adjustment here. I want you to see there's an adjustment here that you can adjust this pivot like that. There's an adjustment here that you can take off the tension of the arm. So when it raises and lowers like you see here, super easy. Now that I have it adjusted, it's just perfect. You have it also, Allen, so you can actually lock these down so you can have these a little bit tighter. So you can really adjust the drag. You can adjust all that stuff. It really works really, really well. Let me just pull it out and show you here. So you can adjust it. You can pivot this monitor up and down. You can just see how it does it. You can adjust that right here. You can adjust that right here with that. You can adjust the pivot, the swirl, the swivel, everything. So you get everything you want to control. Now, if you want to raise the height, all you have to do is go here, loosen up this screw here, raise the height, lower the height, wherever you want to do it. Then you just adjust that Allen screw right there, and that's fixed right here. That's where I want to keep it right here. So there's a ton of adjustments. There's a ton of things here to do. It's just a fantastic, fantastic computer arm. I love it. I really do love it a lot. Here's the side view, how it looks. You can just see how beautiful it is. When you lower it down, you can have as low as you want. You want to raise it up, raise it down. If you want to bring it out, further out, here we go. You can just take that arm and make it as far out as you want. If I want the screen to pivot up and down, here we go. Just like that. I mean, there's so much flexibility with this. This is ridiculous. And I love that. And the reason why I wanted this here, so when I do my reviews, I can use a second monitor and I can watch some of the product detail information on this monitor. And then I can just see what's going on. This arm here makes it possible that I can do that. And you can just see how it just goes back and forth. I can go down with it, go up with it. And again, all high quality. Here's all the cable management. So I ran the cable underneath here. It ran up here, going right into the computer over here. So it's all out of the way. It's all tucked in the back. It's absolutely fantastic. Again, all high quality metal, like I said, easy installation, really super easy. These screws are right in the back, like I told you. Whoop, sorry about that. My clock fell. This is the screws here to the back. So really, really nice looking. I love it. And it really works really, really well. So this is my preferred method. I want it right here. That way when I'm sitting right here, you can see I have my overhead shot camera right here. I have my lighting. I have my microphone. I have my roadcaster right here. You can see I got my clock. Everything's right here. See everything, just beautiful layout, so I can just do my work. And you need an arm like this to help with the adjustment up and down. And I think it looks fantastic. So I want to thank the brand so much for sending it out to me. I think it's definitely a winner in my book. Again, here you go. You can see how it pulls right out. So if I want it closer to me, say something small, I want to put it really close to me, and I can do that. You can see that. Or if I want to push it back, I can push it right back again, and boom, you're good to go. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Fantastic. I love this item. If you love it, definitely pick it up. There'll be a QR code at the end over here. Also down below in the description, there'll be all the links you need for this specific product here. And these are just leftover pieces. Like I said, there's always a few leftover pieces. If you want to mount it to the desk, hard mount it, you can. Keep these Allen wrenches. So if you want to adjust it, if you change your monitor, you can adjust the tension. You can adjust everything. Super important to keep those. And that's it, guys. Appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next review.